Come here.
Step this way for me. Come on down, brother.
Slim G in the building.
All right, photographer right here. Look to the camera there. All right, video right here.
Hey, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Dev, the actor. I play Slim G in this movie, and we about to do some grimy shit in here. And for the music, because the music is even colder. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all in the studio. Wow.
All right, appreciate you. Tell them what you're doing, man. Tell them what you're doing.
Oh, okay. Hey, it's your boy, Mr. Everybody Know Me. If you don't, you a nobody, and don't nobody want to be a nobody. Got the top album in Texas right now. I don't care what nobody say. It is. Go check it out. You see me right here. If you get a chance, take a picture in front of it. QR code, scan it, and do your thing. Yeah.
All
yeah.
right. All
in the
right.
building, baby.
Yes, sir.
I'm not a prince with that guy.
You feel me?
Come on down. All
I'm
right.
the model. Y'all make sure y'all check me out. Follow me on all major platforms. Access model coach, whatever you need, whatever you want, I got you. Make sure y'all follow me.
All right.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Get your photo right here.
All right.
Southside Kanye West in the building. What's going on?
What's happening?
Come on, talk to him, man. Tell him what you're doing.
This is the one and only actor comedian Robert Peppers. I play Agent Ross in the studio, and I have the pleasure of having my lovely mother with me. Yes, shout out to this woman. She's the reason why I'm doing this, and I'm gonna promote my mother. She's an author of a book called Never Too Late, Never Too Soon. Buy on Amazon.
Got your mama with you. You can't lose. You can't lose.
Yes, enjoy the film, y'all.
But you already know what time it is. I am CEO Money Train from city to city, man. Making missions, you know what I'm doing, what we're doing on a regular basis. Y'all get ready for Studio Part 2. It's going down in a major way. Salute, I am Money
Good.
I'm my drink. I'm gonna find my drink.
All right. Got any words?
It's your girl Kia Leone. I'm Yellow Rose in the studio 2, part 2. Let's get it.
All right.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, this motion right here is the photographer right there. Get your picture. All right, got anything to say? Looking at the camera right here. Got some words, some shout out? All right. Appreciate you. All right, step right up, sweetheart. Photographer right here. This is motion right here. Come on.
Wait, who won first? I'm taking first. Let me get off my hands. Come on. Okay, ready? I'm Tammy. I play the nurse in the studio too. Hope y'all enjoy it.
All right, all right. Come on down, brother. And sister. All right. Photo. All right. Y'all got any words?
Yes, look, it's your boy Marcellus Play, man. I can't tell you who I play, but guess what? We're here at the studio too.
style, baby.
All right, all right.
Appreciate it, man.
No doubt. Step right up, ladies.
Thank you.
All right, y'all got some shout outs? Come on, say something.
Shout out to Jazz. Come in here, come in here, come in here. Yay.
All right, appreciate y'all. Step right this way.
You're in the middle, you're in the middle. I know, I know. Monkey business. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Come this way for me, sweetheart. Oh, she going to get her gear. All right. Photographer right here, looking to the camera.
Thank you.
All right, appreciate y'all. Photographer right here first. All right.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
All right, get the photographer right here first. All right. All right, all right. Got any shout outs? Want to say something?
Don't want to say something?
Want to say something?
Oh, man. Shout out to Colossal Business, Luxury United for the opportunity. We worked really hard on this project and we got more coming.
All right. All right, appreciate y'all. Step right up. Come on in there. Y'all step on down. Center it up. All right. All right.
Women in the middle. Women folk in the middle.
There it is. There it is. You're smooching over there, ain't you? All right, y'all, come on this way, folks.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
All right.
All right, got any words? Got any words?
Happy to be here.
All right, appreciate you.
Thank you.
Look at this camera right here, right here.
All right. Let me get one of my deck Absolutely.
Crown me
Yeah, that's
and the shack.
These guys spent that money on. That's why they looking like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Studio 2. You got your hater blockers on anyway.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Presidents and CEOs of Colossal Vision, man. World Premiere Studio Part 2. It's your boy Jay Stats, man. Chi-Town in the building.
Yes, sir.
Ready, man. This your boy Quad, straight from the SIP. Sweet San Gillette, man. We up in here, 1/3 of Colossal Vision.
All right, all right.
Y'all know who it is, J. Anthony Jenkins. They call me Mano. I want to thank everybody for coming out. We're going to have a great time, and God bless everyone. Let's get it.
Know that. Much love. Let's get it.
All right, all right.